What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Crib the Rabbit from Sonic the Hedgehog. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing the lower half of her face, so I'm gonna take a point in the middle and draw a semicircle line across. And then on the side, I'm gonna extend the line out, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the corner and down. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. And below the face, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna draw an oval shape from the center point here, going up, and then I'm gonna make a circular turn on top and go back down on the left side. And inside of the eye, I'm gonna add an oval shape. And on the top right corner of the inside the eye, I'm gonna add a circle and another oval in the middle of the eye. And I'm gonna fill that in with a black color. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right eye. Now at the outer corner of her eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards at this point right here, and I'm gonna make a sharp tip for the eyelash and thicken the rest of it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And around the eye, I'm gonna trace the line of the eye and turn it down on the top inner corner of the eye. So we're gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now for her face shape, I'm gonna draw a circle around her face, and I'm gonna leave a gap around the ear area right there. And I'm gonna continue the line of the circle across to the right. Now for her nose, I'm gonna draw an oval shape in the middle of the eye right there, and a small oval shape on the top portion, and I'm gonna fill the black portion right there. Now for her mouth, I'm gonna draw a bracket at the side with a curved line, and then I'm gonna extend it on the right side with a semicircle line across the face. And at the bottom, I'm gonna add a semicircle line as well. And then inside of the mouth, I'm gonna add two curved lines for her tongue. Now for her ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point right here, up, and then I'm gonna turn it back to the left, and then I'm gonna make a turn at this corner down and slightly out at the bottom side and back in. And on this side of the ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and turn it sideways. Now on this side, we're gonna mirror the same shape for the top part. And a curved line at this corner right here. Now below her face, I'm gonna draw from this point right here a curved line to the side and outwards. And then I'm gonna draw the top part of her glove with a curved line across, and at the side I'm gonna add a semicircle line and another semicircle line below that. And I'm gonna add an oval shape at this side right here, and a curved line beside that. Now from this point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and I'm gonna extend it with the curved line out for the thumb and down, and then I'm gonna make the semicircle turn back to the side and up. And for the other finger, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and then turn it outwards, and a semicircle turn back in and up. And the other fingers, we're gonna just copy the same shape at the side right there, and at this point I'm gonna extend it all the way to the side of the wrist right there. Now for the inner line of the arms, I'm gonna draw a line up, back, and make a semicircle turn to the shoulder. And for her collar, I'm gonna draw a triangle shape at this point right here, and another triangle shape right there. And below that in the center, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line like that on both sides, and an oval shape right there. And at the sides, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape diagonally down and out on both sides. And then for the line of her outfit, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point and flare it out at the bottom, and the same goes to the right side as well. And then on the bottom, I'm gonna draw across a curved line down and back up on the right side. And on the left side, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line and turn it back to the right. And for her legs, I'm gonna draw a line down from this point and another one right there. And at the lower point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line with a semicircle turn on both sides and turn it down. And for her shoes, I'm gonna draw a curved line in front of the shoes, and then a semicircle turn that back down. And I'm gonna turn sideways to the front tip of the shoe, and a semicircle turn in front of the shoe. Now going back to the back of the shoe, at this point I'm gonna draw a curved line to the back, and at this corner I'm gonna draw a semicircle line and then turn it down to the heels, and we're gonna draw across a curved line to the front of the shoe. Now on both the back and the front, I'm gonna draw a line down, and I'm gonna draw across another curved line from the front, from the back to the front. And at this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line there and extend it sideways to the front, and then I'm gonna make a turn back up and across that portion right there. Now for the right leg, I'm gonna make it a diagonal line down to the right and then turn it back to the left. And for the front, we're gonna make a semicircle turn at the knee with the same direction as well. And at the base, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. And from this corner, I'm I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn down and the back as well. And we're gonna copy the same shape of the shoe on the right side right there. Now for her right arms, I'm just gonna copy the same shape as the left arm. Now for her ear, I'm gonna extend the line down on this corner. And then below the side of her face, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape right there. And a line on this side. And the line of the ear on this side will be a curved line down. And inside of that, I'm gonna trace the outer line on this side all the way down, and on this side as well. And halfway, the ear behind, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across. And on the right ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line down on this side and trace the outline right there as well. And for her tails, I'm gonna add a curved line right there and continue it all the way to the side. Now for the bottom of her skirt, I'm gonna continue this line to the right. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.